Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to clean the back of your big towing truck. Now the owner of this vehicle, this is a big GMC towing dually vehicle, was really towing a huge trailer. There's a huge trailer behind me. You can't see it, but don't worry. It's very, very big. I mean, you can see it's attached up right now. But the problem with towing a big vehicle with a dually truck is you're using all that power, you're burning all that diesel, and the tailpipe spits out all of this carbon and dually madness. And since the owner was towing a car behind here, the gas and all of the diesel and all the fumes and everything, all the carbon builds up behind the truck, and it leaves a huge layer of carbon on the back of the diesel truck. Now this one has a thick layer on here. I don't really want to touch it because it's going to scratch the paint, but I'm going to show you how to remove it waterlessly using our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. Now this is our best selling product around the world. This really did revolutionize waterless detailing. The owner of this truck likes to keep it super clean. As you notice, it's a beautiful red color, and even though it's a work truck, he likes to keep it clean. So the way we're going to do is I'm going to take the waterless wash, I'm actually going to spray it on the surface and show you how it's done. Now check that out. Like how that stays there? That's amazing, right? Masterson's Waterless Wash is the only one in the world to start doing that. You can even spray it on the plastic trim too. I can spray it on the chrome as well. Everything. I'll spray it on the door handle. Look at that. Everything and anything. I can spray it on the tail light. It doesn't matter, but check that out. Look how it sticks. That's the best thing about Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine, is that it sticks on there and it really does do its job. Now I'm going to take a microfiber towel. This is a green microfiber towel. I'm going to wipe in one direction. There we go. Ooh, I feel that. I feel it pulling up the dirt. Look at that. That's cool, huh? That's amazing, because that's how Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine works. You just roll your wrist, you're pulling off the dirt, you roll in one direction, and you're pulling off that dirt, you're pulling off that carbon. Red hides some dirt sometimes, but this was really dirty. You know, if you keep your car clean sometimes, it'll actually look clean even when it's dirty. Look at that. I'm gonna keep using the side so you guys see how dirty it gets. But look how I clean, come in here guys, look how I clean the plastic bumper trim as well. That's super cool, huh? So easy, and it makes it look like brand new. That's the best thing about this. I'll go in deep here, I'll go in the emblem. I'm trying to keep using one side of the towel so I can show you how dirty it is. I'll flip over to a clean side now. But it works on the chrome. Look at that. Chrome. You guys see that chrome, how good it looks? Wow, that's amazing. It's so shiny, it makes it like new. Now that's the one thing I love about the Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine, is we're able to do this with no hassle, no fuss, no problems. We clean the whole side. There we go. Now once it's clean, I'm going to take a secondary microfiber towel. This is to buff off the sealant. Now inside of this amazing waterless wash, the best on the market, bar none, guaranteed, is a waterless wash with sealant, and it also has gloss enhancer. So what it's doing is it's giving your truck or your car gloss, and it's protecting it. Now look at that shine. Look at, we buffed away all the dirt, we buffed away all the carbon. Look, even the trim looks good. You just simply wipe it off, and look at how good that looks. This has a lot of textures to it, but you simply just wipe everything away, and boom, with just microfiber towels and our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine, we were able to clean all the surfaces, the chrome, the plastic, the paint, the emblems, which are usually a pain to clean so easy, and the whole side of this tailgate looks amazing. So if you have a diesel truck and you're looking to clean the vehicle waterlessly, this is a great option for you, because Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine cleans, shines, and protects in one easy step. Has UV solar technology, which blocks UV solar rays. Red fades faster than any other color because it oxidizes faster, because the UV solar rays absorb into the color. Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine is going to help protect that and prevent that, because we develop our products from the ground up to be the best and protect your car all the way, all seasons, all year round. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. If you want to pick up the Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine, I recommend to pick this up. I use this on my cars, my motorcycles, my bikes, big trucks, trailers, RVs, everything. Go over to our website, mastersonswax.com, pick it up. You'll love it, guaranteed. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. Everything from cleaning cool trailers to awesome vehicles around the world. And thanks a lot, guys. And always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.